Hello everyone. I am removing the mask because there is no one in the room. But you should wear mask to maintain the COVID appropriate behavior. Myself, Dr. Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, ESSC Medical College, Hyderabad. So this video we are going to see a very important topic, COVID-19 in children. Okay. So in this video we will cover the most of the doubts and the topics that is in the COVID-19 in children. The first question they will ask is whether COVID-19 will affect children. The answer is yes. Like adults, COVID-19 will also affect children. Okay. Which group of children are at high risk? Okay. Children who have asthma, children who have pulmonary disease, children who have heart disease, children who are on any immunosuppressive therapy, that is on steroids, like steroids, and the children who are less than 1 year are at high risk of developing COVID-19. Okay. Now next question is how a child will get COVID-19. Child usually get COVID-19 only from the parents or the elderly people in the family. So these parents and elderly people, when they go out, if they don't wear mask, if they don't follow social distancing, and if they not vaccinated, okay, they will transmit the COVID-19 infection to the children also. Okay, suppose what are the symptoms if the child develop COVID-19? The child will have high grade fever, okay, more than 100 degree Fahrenheit. Dry cough will be there. Some children will have diarrhea, profuse diarrhea will be there. Some children will have the vomiting, abdominal pain will be there, or altered consciousness. They will lose their consciousness. Their activity will reduce. Previously, child will be running, playing. Now the child activity will reduce. In these cases, you should suspect COVID-19. Or if there is any positive person in the home and the child develops fever, the child should be immediately tested for COVID-19. Okay. Suppose the child is declared COVID positive. How to treat? Okay. Presently, majority of the child are becoming asymptomatic. Okay. Very few are becoming symptomatic. Okay. For them, symptomatic management is enough. Okay. For fever, we are giving paracetamol. For cough suppression, then zinc and the vitamin tablets we will give. Contact a pediatrician to get the treatment. Don't follow any indigenous system of medicine like Siddha, Ayurveda for the child. And the child should be given balanced diet. The child may not eat because of the viral infection and bitterness in the mouth. So please go for more oral intake or fluids. Maintain the hydration of the child throughout the thing, and monitor temperature using thermometer. Monitor oxygen saturation using pulse oximeter, which is available in the pharmacy. The pulse oximeter, if this was reading showing less than 95%, the child should be immediately admitted. Okay, and monitor the respiratory rate when the child is sleeping, just to see the movement of the chest. Okay, if the child is less than 2 months, 60 up to 60 is normal. If the child is 2 months to 1 year, 50 respiratory rate is normal. If the child is 1 year to 5 year, 40 respiratory is normal. If anything above this, the child should be admitted immediately. And also, the child who are at high risk group, which I have explained earlier, they should also get admitted even with mild symptoms. Okay. So when will you refer the child to higher pediatrician? When the temperature is more than 100 degrees, or even after 5 days, and the dry cough is persisting even after 5 days, or when there is bluish discoloration of the face or legs or hand, or the child activities keep on not improving, then we have our saturation less than 95%. We have to refer to the pediatrician, and child needs immediate attention. Okay, how I can prevent COVID-19 infection in child? Okay, this best thing is we have to prevent the infection. For that, parents should follow the COVID appropriate behavior. They should wear mask. They should vaccinate themselves. Now Government of India also come up with the guidelines that even lactating mother also get vaccinated. Suppose the child become COVID positive, it is not possible to isolate them. Okay, so we have to take care of the child. So in that case, we have to wear mask and also take care of the child. And once going out and come inside home, the parents should wash their hand, wash their face. If possible, take bath. Then only they should go and play with the child. Okay. So prevention is better than cure, especially in COVID-19 children management. Thank you all.